is the SteelX model I-2718, because that's its capacity. 27 inches wide, 18 inches tall. This particular one has a 40-inch feed length on the shuttle vise. The blade just started. Notice how the arm moves with the vise. These saws are packed with features. For example, if you walk away from it, the hydraulic system will turn off automatically to save power. It has a one-shot lube system on it, which you don't see a lot on saws. Of course, it has the greased linear bearings for the head. It's feeding down right now. What's it going to do next? Controls on a pendant, move it where you want. It'll come 45 degrees this way, and then go back to 90, and then all the way to 60 the other way. 45 left, 60 degrees right. Blade shut off. Get in there so you can see the movement. Feeding forward.
Why don't we do that again from back here?
Clamp. Open it up. Just showing the vise movement.